So we've been on a bit of a different haulage job today, a bit more specialised maybe, would that be what you would call it? Lough Neagh Rescue, we moved one of their boats down to Sligo. It's going down to have a bit of refurbishment work carried out, so we thought we would support them and do the shift of the boat for them, because the guys that man the boats for the rescue service, they usually run a tractor run every year, which we support whatever way we can for them. We obviously attend and help them advertise it and just do whatever we can for them, really, because it's a very important service the boys run, and we like to help out. So we thought they didn't get their tractor run, obviously 2020 with the COVID, so that's probably a bit of a blow for them. So we thought, well, at least we can help them do this, and saves a few quid for them. Crossroad Fuels kindly put some fuel in a Georgian this morning as well for the trip, and they sponsor Lough Neagh Rescue's fuel, so they kindly sponsored the fuel for the trip today as well. And we loaded her up at Crea Concrete Yard, and they kindly provided a couple of forklifts and drivers to set her onto the trailer, which was dead handy, and got her strapped down and down the road safe and sound. So she's down at Inland Inflatables is the name of the company that are doing the refurbishments on the boat, and I just didn't realise how valuable these boats are until I got chatting to the guys down there, and how tough and rugged and sophisticated a piece of kit they are. So I was probably better not knowing on the way down how much she was worth. So yeah, cool day. Enjoyed it. Enjoyed shifting something different. It's always a bit of a challenge. So yeah, that's us on the road home now. All is well. Georgian's running sweet again. She's behaving herself. So yeah, been a good little day. So that's us. Over and out.
I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not. I always knew we could do so many great things, so believe in me.